Hey friends, good morning. This is JK from your friendly investment channel. Today is 13th Thursday, April 2023, and it's one day closer to Friday, right? We had a CPI report yesterday. It was same as expected. The markets were green initially and then they turned down to the red, right? They were not convinced that inflation is out. And the numbers were very strong in some sectors, so they think that inflation is looming, and they still feel that we are not out of the woods yet. Having said that, there are a lot of data that is still coming out as we speak. One of them being the ADP report, payroll data, and banks are expected to report tomorrow, right? I think that's going to be a major event to really watch for, and I think markets are taking a pause. But gold is really rocketing to 2,200. I have a feeling that we might see that 2,200 really short in the next few days. If the bank's data and inflation, everything is going to make them feel like recession is unavoidable, right? So, having said that, there are few earnings going on right now, but let's look at the market action, where the markets are going to start, where it did close, and what was the overnight action. Let's take a look at it. Let's look at ES futures. It's been under pressure for some time, but the PPI numbers really looks like it is keeping some pressure on the price. So futures are going up. So looking at that, it is like it closed at 410 yesterday, and I think 4,100, right? 4,110, right? So if you translate this to SPY, SPY was at 407 yesterday, and now it's trading at 409, right? It went as up of 413 yesterday morning, so it's probably on the trend to go up. So this is nice, guys. This is what I was trying to say even in our video yesterday, that this is like a boat, and it is kind of going back up. I think if it can start here at 409, if it can go up, if it can maintain that, even if it doesn't do a big number because there are banks going to report, if it can stay in this range 409 to 410, definitely it is bullish range. Gold is spiking up. Last I saw it was up, but I don't know after the PPI numbers. So gold is 189, it's still up. So if you look at gold GC, it is now 2056. Don't know why gold is steaming up, but the trend looks like it can go to 2200 in a very short moment. I don't know when, but definitely tomorrow's bank numbers, the major banks are going to report, so that will set some tone for this markets tomorrow. Crude, I think, is again, crude is at 82.99. 83 was yesterday, so let's look at it. Yeah, it was 83 yesterday, and today is 82. I think yesterday was a crude inventory report, right? And today is going to be natural gas. Let's look at some of the favorite stocks, like Tesla. What is it doing? Tesla is trading up pre-market. So if you look at 1 day, 1 minute, definitely it's up, and Apple definitely on the higher side. So the banks, let's look at some of the banks. Those are the ones I'm concerned. JPM is trading flat. Morgan Stanley trading flat. They're not KRE 4268, slightly above, and it's flat. Schwab, I think we were talking about Schwab yesterday. I don't know if there is anything hiding within Schwab that we all need to be worried, right? Schwab is looking, it's flat, but if you look at the chart, I think not good, right? It has lost all the strength, and right now it is kind of hovering at the 52-week lows. Don't know what is cooking there, how much exposure they have. Morgan Stanley, same story, 85. Goldman Sachs, definitely it's good. BlackRock is one of them. I like it. Don't know what their exposure are, but they are not of the highs. They are still in the lows. Berkshire B. Berkshire B is still waiting on that. Berkshire B. Let's look at it. Yeah, Berkshire is definitely coming out of the woods. Let's look at some of the insurance guys. MetLife, definitely not good. Okay, I think we'll find out about State Farm in a bit. Progressive, definitely looking like it is on the 52-week high. Something is good. Some of the other retailers like insurance, CVS, is down big. Don't know what's happening there. CVS owns Aetna, UNH. Healthcare insurers, they are looking good. Not as bad as other insurance companies. I was meaning to see Allstate, and that's where I got lost to say State Farm. So Allstate is the one. Definitely, insurance is, these guys are the ones who underwrite. So definitely, these guys have something to say with respect to these banks. Let's look at XLI. XLI is definitely good. Going sideways in this channel, looking at it. Definitely XLI is good, and within that, I like GA. G went up to 97 and still hovering around that. Closed at 94 and now it's trading at 94.49. Bid ask. So definitely it's good. G got spin off into two companies, and then G Healthcare. That's trading really well. It got spin off to 53 and now it is 82. So if you had owned G pre-split, you definitely have good value. Both are trading in the same range. So that's why I like GE. I think they're probably going to spin off some more divisions from GE. So GE is good. AMD. AMD is still 92.50. It's not trading so much higher, but definitely we should look at what happens once the market opens. Hello, guys. Thank you for tuning in. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a fantastic day. Cheers.